Akufo-Addo say eba no say drone services yade drone ifidie na nam ewiemu so hwe yemfa moja nkọ ba binum ne ade dia na ban yi eteso omabo mo homoden pa no my Ghana mu nso no ye ka wo mo ade drone eyi adwuma pa no a yenso yedi mo akotene ebi ewo wiase ne nsam ne to aso Adom Kasee edeba
148 factories are under construction. This is the largest expansion of that sector since independence. Constructed more fish landing sites than any other government in the Fourth Republic. Established Africa's first national-scale electronic pharmacy platform. Provided free Wi-Fi to 700 senior high schools, 46 colleges of education, 260 district education offices, an initial successful pilot of 13 public universities. Introduced drones in the delivery of critical medicine, vaccines, and blood to people in remote parts of the country. And today, Ghana has the largest medical drone delivery service in the world, with zipline distribution centers in Ominako, Mpanya, Vobsi, Sefiwioso, Ketekrachi. And Mr. Speaker, I'm proud of the amount of work that we have done, especially in the road sector. Roads constitute the largest number of questions asked in this House by members of Parliament. A large amount of the monies we borrow are for road construction. Shall we dare stop constructing roads? Mr. Speaker, I would like to state categorically that this government has built more roads than any government in the history of the Fourth Republic. And Mr. Speaker, the details of all these roads are attached in the annex to this message. I have done so because last year when I made a similar pronouncement, I was met with howls and gasps of incredulity from the minority benches. And so I thought it appropriate this time